Agad of Ruáin, Thiobraid McGrath, Laighnigh, hImeartha, Taka Lartling. Brian, congratulations. A tough day at the office, but the way you finished the game, very impressive, I thought.
Yeah, look, it's county quarter-final stage. Like, you're not going to get anything easy around this time. Kilruane, we've played them the last number of years. It's always only the puck of the ball in it. And like, you've seen it there. We were defending there the last 5 minutes, defending with our lives. So it's just great to come through a hard-fought win, and just look forward now to the next day.
You were 6 times level in that first half, and then we said maybe a goal might shake this game up. The goal came, but it went to Kilruane. What were you thinking at that stage early in the second half when you just hadn't settled yet?
Yeah, look, these things happen. Like, they're bound to get scores, they're bound to get goals. You just have to reset. You can't think too much about it. It was a rocker there, got the one. We just responded in a good way, and that's a great positive for us. That we didn't put the heads down after the goal went in. It was just next ball, and that just shows the spirit that's in the team and in the panel, and it's great and it's unreal there.
And you got the 2 goals then, so one after the other, pouncing on the defensive mistake for the first one, and the second one then coming from Liam. The momentum seemed to change then, Brian. You just seemed to work harder and sort out.
Yeah, look, these things happen. Like we talk about, just keep tagging on the point, goal chance will come, point again, and the goal chance comes again. So like, you just have to play what's in front of you, and I think that's one of the assets we have there. We can play it short, play it long into the boys. So like, it's good to be able to change it up, and the boys are on fire inside once we got the ball into them.
You're 4 from 4 now and into the last 4. Eamon Kelly's influence, I suppose, coming in as a fresh voice, I suppose, to the club side. How has that been?
Yeah, it's great. Like Eamon, Mikey Ruáin, Aidan, Alvy, like, they just bring, like Árainn, when someone new comes in, they bring a different perspective, a different stamp on the game plan, and it's great to have that new voice in there. And I think lads are enjoying that, and we're getting a bounce out of it, and long may it continue.
Okay, congratulations, Ryan. Let's do Laighnigh hImeartha. Agus an seo Ceann FBD Maureen Iomána of running Gradam Laighnigh hImeartha Laigh an seo Thránóna sin Brian McGrath.